Hey, Ms. Bennett, do you have any fun tornado facts for us?
Why, I certainly do. Let's see. Tornadoes are also known as twisters. They're violently rotating columns of air that reach from a storm cloud to the Earth's surface, which you might have known. But the winds of a tornado can reach speeds up to 480 kilometers per hour. That's strong enough to peel the roofs off houses, uproot trees, and hurl heavy objects such as cars hundreds of meters.